Nothing says we're going to hike like rain again. Well, we like these suits. They work great. And we were in a position where we really had to do something. We're almost to the top of Stone Mountain, North Carolina, not the one in Georgia. Nobody carved this one. And there's stairs. They start way down there somewhere, and they go up for more. And this is the side of the mountain. It's exposed granite with basically nothing lives on granite. And only on the edges where enough dirt has built up on top of it are there trees in patches. The view is really neat. In fact, you can see water running down the side of the mountain in some places. May not be able to catch it on the video, but it is running down the side of the mountain. But it's pretty. And the rain seems to have stopped. It's moved on to the south. And we're probably going to take off these suits. Well, now we're on a cable. And it looks like rain. We can see the edge of the Stone Mountain, part of Stone Mountain. And it's to the north. I'm not sure if it's going to get us or not. And of course, more steps and more stairs to get to the top. And I'm starting to feel water, so I suspect we're going to get wet. Steps go up. Careful.
I'm trying to make sure I got something underneath my foot before I take the next step.
Okay. It is a pretty view, but it's basically a cable.
Make sure I've got a grip on what's underneath me.
It comes right up the side of the stone part of the mountain. It's interesting. And now it's wet, which of course doesn't help at all. Somehow I didn't get the GoPro charged, so we'll go with this. But it is a sheer roll off right there, down a few hundreds of feet, I don't know. And the cable is your way to get up here around the edge. But it is a pretty view.
Yes.
Of the mountains.
It is.
At the top of Stone Mountain. One side of it anyway. Summit of Stone Mountain. And although it is only 2305, it gives kind of an impressive view because of the stone features and the fact that it just kind of drops off. That's great. Let's see if we can get a slightly better view from over here without falling off the side of the mountain. Oh yeah. This is neat. Yeah, it just kind of goes that way. And the mountain is well worn over time. But it's only pitted because probably of winters. Otherwise it would be very likely to be a smoother surface. But there's the tree that people speak about. It is a tree kind of sitting off by itself. I think I'll get Shauna and we'll sit over here somewhere and have lunch. Looking off the side of the mountain. We just aren't going to get way down low because we'd be... That's vertical after that. It drops straight off. Otherwise, the rain is pushed off and the weather is cleared up. A nice view. This is our view for lunch. Nice. We got over the mountain, the edge of the mountain. There's a tree down here. Basically iconic. People that are a little more adventurous sitting out near the edge of the mountain. And, the storms are passing to the east of us, so we're good. Southeast, yeah. So we're going to have lunch and have a nice view and a nice breeze on top of Stone Mountain. This is another one of the escarpments. Well, granite areas that hasn't been covered up yet. This one is steaming. And yes, we just took our rain suits off because it was just raining. Again, because
That's what happens when we hike.
that's what happens when we hike. We get wet. But yeah, the trail comes across that part where there's a little bit of area where the grass and soil has taken hold. Comes right across here and back out that side. And of course that is basically a sheer drop off after you get past where the steam and what you can see. It's just a little bit further and then it just kind of goes whoop. And yes, you can hear the thunder in the background.
It's moving south.
It's moving south, which is the direction we're looking. So it's going away. It was pouring just a minute ago. Okay, off to the next place. It says we're going to go hiking like it's raining again. It's raining.
Yeah, that's the third time.
It's the third time on this hike. Yes.
And it's let up and then come back.
Yeah. So we'll put the camera away before it gets wet.
Come back.
Well, from the viewing platform, it'd be nice if you trim back a few of the trees, but when you get here, you kind of have trouble seeing the falls, although it's not like a regular fall. It goes down a slide embankment. It's like all the other areas of this mountain that are exposed. They're kind of near vertical or vertical areas, and well, the sun's coming out. It's nice after all that rain. And we've definitely the falls are on because of the rain and everything. Rain. Times it got wet, rained on us in this hike. We're at what 2.5 miles so far? Almost 3 miles. So we only have about a mile and a little bit more left. So. But we're going to head down that way in just a little bit. Taking the stairs. Lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of stairs. Part 4.
Part 4, rain again. Before we can get back around the other side of the mountain.
We're trying, but we're still not home back to the truck yet, so
We got
it's
another
raining.
mile, I think.
About another mile. Wow. Okay,
I think.
let's go. Now we're at the bottom of the mountain, and the view up to where we were having lunch, which is at the top of this cliff of solid granite. I think it's granite. Stone Mountain. You see at one point where pieces have sheared away. I don't know if it makes that more sense. Right through here. Must have landed below somewhere in these trees. Incredible. We were up there. Now we didn't get all the way to the edge. We were just across the top up here. So right in there, just above that. And we couldn't quite see down here, so might have quite a bit further up. But
It is a climbing area, so that's fine.
oh, so people climb up. Well, we're not going to climb up. But it's a pretty view. We've had quite a few people get hurt trying to climb that. Not a good idea.